With SodaStream, we could have saved 500 million bottles on game day alone. If you love the bubbles, set them free.
The National Weather Service in Columbus has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch Number 1, effective until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio, Franklin, and Delaware. Remember, the Severe Thunderstorm Watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds, large hail, and dangerous lightning within the watch area. Locations impacted include Columbus, Westerville, Dublin, Delaware, Powell, New Albany, Worthington, and Hilliard. Residents in the watch area should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and be prepared to take action if severe weather approaches. Stay tuned to local media outlets or internet sources for more updates on this developing situation.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch Number 1, effective until 12:30 a.m. tomorrow. This watch includes the following counties: State of Ohio, and for the following counties in West Virginia, including Hancock, Brooke, Ohio, Marshall, Wetzel, Tyler, Pleasance, Wood, Jackson, Mason, Cabell, and Wayne. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for tornado formation in and close to the watch area. While tornadoes are not guaranteed to occur, residents should remain vigilant and prepared to take action if necessary. Review your family's safety plan, secure outdoor items, and ensure you have access to reliable sources of weather information. Remember, preparation is key to staying safe during severe weather events. Stay informed and be ready to seek shelter if a tornado warning is issued for your area.
The National Weather Service in Columbus has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Delaware, Franklin, Licking, Union, and Fairfield counties. Effective until 1:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Residents should take precautionary measures by seeking shelter indoors, away from windows, as strong winds, large hail, and heavy rainfall are expected. Avoid flooded areas. Stay tuned to local media outlets and internet sources for more updates on this dangerous situation.
The National Weather Service in Mount Vernon has issued a tornado warning for southern Knox County in central Ohio until 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Chesterville, or 7 miles northeastern of Mount Vernon, and moving southwestern at 84 miles per hour. In addition, at Midland, a rotating cloud was reported by train spotters at 1:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time with this storm. The storm has a history of producing baseball-sized hail. As well, locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Fredericktown, Gambier, Centerburg, Danville, Apple Valley, Chesterville and Liberty Township. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closet substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris.
Very cold.
The following message is transmitted at the request by the National Weather Service and the West Virginia Police Department Agency. It has been confirmed that the severe thunderstorm has expanded to many states. The severe thunderstorm has affected all the eastern United States. It might be confirmed that there will be stronger and massive tornadoes from the eastern United States. All states in the eastern must take shelter now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If a tornado warning occurs on your area, you are in a life-threatening situation. Telephone lines should be used for official uses only. Do not use the telephone line as the telephone lines need to be kept busy. Stay tuned to local media outlets and internet sources for more updates on this extremely dangerous situation.
We'll leave right away.
Thank you.
Anything for you. I mean, no problem.
Hello everyone, welcome to WBNS TV 10. As you can see, there are severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado watches, and tornado warnings in the Ohio map. If your county is yellow, you are okay but need to be prepared. If your county is orange, you are having a severe thunderstorm warning and need to seek shelter. If your county is red, you are having a tornado warning and need to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Our radar will update shortly. Oh wow, the storm has expanded. Well, a tornado warning has affected Van Wert County. In Van Wert County, you might see an upcoming storm. Let's go on the phone with Stephen Johnson. Hello, this is Calvin Perry. Can you hear me?
I'm literally chasing a storm that was about to hit Van Wert County. I saw a tornado forming in Wilshire. A tornado warning needs to be issued now. The tornado is on the ground. There is so many hail. And a truck got pulled up and the tornado got a truck and now it's destroyed. There is too many hail and I need to go back in the van since there is too many rainfall. And my brother's house got hit by the tornado.
Wow, Stephen. I'm very sorry about your brother's house. A tornado warning has been issued for Van Wert County now. If you guys are in Van Wert County, you need to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building now to protect your life.
Tornado emergency for Wilshire. The National Weather Service in Ohio City has issued a tornado warning for Van Wert County in Ohio until 8:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:30 p.m. a severe thunderstorm was capable of producing a tornado was spotted in Wilshire, moving east at 57 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Van Wert, Convoy, Middle Point, Ohio City, Wilshire, Linz, Venadosha, Elgin, and Scott. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you are in a mobile home or outdoors. Move to closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Hello everyone, welcome back to WBNS TV 10. As you can see, there is a large and confirmed tornado in Van Wert. As you can see, it is the largest tornado occurring in Ohio now. If we compare all the sizes to other tornadoes in Ohio, the tornado in Van Wert is the biggest. It is moving 138 miles per hour. Let's get on the phone with Stephen again. Stephen, this is Calvin Perry. What information do you have on the tornado?
Oh my God, there is so many hail and debris. The tornado is an EF3. This is so destructive. I think Van Wert County will ever not be the same as before again. There is so many hail and wind that my beanie flew off my head and flew to the sky with the debris, and I think I'm getting pneumonia due to the cold weather. And it's so cold that I need to go back to the van. I never seen a very cold tornado on my life. It's like a winter storm that is about to hit a large city. I'm so cold.
Wow, Stephen. I am very sorry for the cold weather you experienced. I hope you feel well soon and get warm. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. That's a very large tornado. Well, I think that's way more dangerous than every other tornado in Ohio. Let's speak up to Jackson Fitting Log. Jackson's, this is Calvin Perry. Where are you? Are you chasing the Franklin County tornado?
Yes, I am chasing the tornado in Franklin County. I think this is a tornado emergency for Franklin, Delaware, Licking, Union, Fairfield and No County. There is so many counties in the tornado emergency. The tornado in Franklin was an EF4 with 196 miles per hour. It's almost become an EF5. And there is so many debris that there is so many wind and the degree is like -13. So I need to go back to my storm chasing van and grab a jacket and a beanie. I see hail going to the west. I have the picture of the tornado. There is it. Anyways, I got to go. See you later.
Goodbye, Jackson. I hope you get warm like Stephen does. Well, that is a massive tornado. I think it's gonna hit. I'm not talking about Center Studio. I'm talking about Columbus. This is an absolutely destructive tornado.
This is a tornado emergency for central Ohio and Van Wert County. The National Weather Service in Columbus has issued a tornado emergency for the following counties: central Ohio and Van Wert County. Mass destruction from the tornado has left most houses and businesses in ruins. A large and extremely dangerous tornado has been confirmed on the ground and is moving through heavily populated areas. This is a life-threatening situation. This tornado emergency indicates the presence of a potentially catastrophic tornado, and urgent action is required to protect life and property. Do not use the telephone lines. Telephone lines need to be kept busy and need to be used for official uses only. Stay tuned to local media and official sources for more information and updates.
Yes, finally, after all these terrible hours, the tornado finally dissipated. Oh wow, there are so many houses that are very damaged and in ruins. Well, thanks to this deadly tornado, Columbus was literally destroyed. Now our studio can't even make the screen visible. Oh well, I got to go to Colorado instead and live there. Since our studio got destroyed, I am now jobless. Now I'm going to find a new different job. Goodbye everyone. Peace out and rest in peace for the people who died at the tornado.